We are going to make goat meat karahi, mutton karahi with spicy onion and tomato gravy. Let's start by adding 1 cup of oil in the karahi wok. Add 1 kilogram of goat meat. Sauté till meat changes its color on medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. Keep stirring and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 1 cup of finely chopped onions. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. Onions will give the gravy to our karahi. Add 2 cups of water. Cover and cook for 35 minutes. On medium-low heat until meat is 80% tender. And cover. Add 5 peeled tomatoes cut into halves. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds coarsely ground, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Mix well. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium-low heat. And cover and stir continuously. Add 3 green hot chilies. Keep stirring and try to smooth out the big tomato chunks with spatula. Now it's time to add the secret ingredient. 1 teaspoon of chopped masala. Add 1/4 cup of with plain yogurt. Keep stirring and add for mild green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Mix it and add chopped cilantro. Sprinkle some julienne cut ginger. Mutton karahi is ready to serve. Enjoy the karahi with naan. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.